Hey guys, welcome back. So I ended up picking the rear set of seats to match these front ones, the little polka dots. Super excited. So today I am installing those. So let's get to it. After that, I do have to do an oil change on this car. So let's get to it. Okay, so I think you have to pull this one out first so you can release the bolt under here. So let's see. Yeah, as I suspected. So now there is two here and then one on the back side you have to pull out, and then you should be able to pull them out of the side here. You have to rotate these forward and then pull inwards, and then this usually gives it enough to release to where you can pull them both out. So we'll see. Hopefully this goes smooth. So the first side is out. Almost ready to put these ones in. Second side is being a pain.
Heaven just knows what it was. Will I go back to the place where...
Finally got it to let loose. Once I stopped filming, I don't really know what this side's problem was, but it was really convenient. I didn't take a little plastic piece with it.
I belong. Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I found it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure.
So the backs are in now, so I just gotta finish doing all the bolts. So only two more because I did the back one off camera, and then we'll put the seat base in.
I got nothing to be scared of, because where people live, there is always love.
Okay, seats are in, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start the oil change.
Oh, the guy with...
Know the answers in my heart, so I'll try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better.
So every time I think something's gonna be hard, which I thought breaking this oil filter was gonna be hard, it actually hasn't been hard. So I'm very disappointed that I did not film, because I felt like the Hulk right now. I'm so nervous I'm about to get oil everywhere, but let's hope not. Tight fit, but it's okay. There is oil. It did spill oil, but I'm so smart. I set up rags down there, caught it all perfectly. This oil filter holds a ridiculous amount of oil. It's actually so annoying. because there's no way to not dump it out while pulling the oil filter out from its downwards facing position out the car.
See that? It was pretty black.
Never say never, will you be my pleasure? I know the answers in my I find it hard to let go. Memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. Will you be my pleasure?
Okay, so that is a wrap on this car for today. We did the oil change and swapped the rear seats. That's all I had time for, but I think that there'll be more getting done to this car very soon, so keep an eye out. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.